This is the front view of the human body, but we'll start with the back view since it's less complicated. Before naming any part, I'll give you a second to take a guess of what the name of the part might be. It will be great if we all participate. To start off, the head is called madah. The ear or ears are called dag or dago. The neck is called luqun or sur. The shoulder is called garab. The arm is called udud, while the forearm is called dudun. The elbow is called suhul or husul. I'm not sure if this is the Ahmed Amhad disease or Spital and Istabal. Anyway, the elbow is also called jiqil. The fingers are called faro. The back is dawar. The buttock is pari or pari, depending on where your parents are from. The thigh is called bowdo, while the shin and calf are called kub. And finally, the heel is called erib. Now, back to the front view, and we start off with the face, which is waji, followed by hair, which is tin in singular, but generally called timo. The forehead is called fod. The eye or eyes are called il and indo, respectively. The eyebrows are called sunyo, while the nose is san and the mouth is af. The cheek is an or dawan, while the chin is gar. The throat or the front side of the neck is dun or hunguri. The chest and abdomen combined are called sablay, while the chest alone is called hawad or labta. The abdomen is called halol, while the navel or belly button is called hudun. The hand is ga'an, and the palm of the hand is called hala'al or baba'o. The wrist is called ur'ur or ukur. Please note, I gather this information from many different sources and I choose the most sensible one according to me. Moving on, the leg is called lug and the knee is called jilib or low. The foot is called ag, while the ankle is called anqaw. Finally, the toes are called faro. Learned anything new? Have questions about this topic? Feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till next time, bye bye.